Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPhone SE 2022. Start by opening Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPhone. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Now on an iPhone you need to choose Access All to all photos, then click on Allow, Allow again, and finally OK. On an Android though, you only need to click Open, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and finally Allow. Now select Receive on iPhone here and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. I will go with only one though, only for examples. I have to click on that one, just Send and click on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on iPhone. It's a little tricky though, it not always work on this iPhone. Okay, and now select OK. Then just scan QR code, but you can also much simpler input this key here and tap on Receive. Now after only couple of seconds you need to choose OK, and as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!